Hey guys, so it's Naturally Nappy. If you're new here and if you're old here, you already know it's about to be another pop-in video. So pause, hit the bell, hit the like button, subscribe, you know, do the little fun stuff that we do here. So this video will include some of the JK hair clip-ins. I didn't really have like a flyer to show, so that's all I had. We're gonna get right into that. But again, before we go any further, please make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, share if you can. And yeah, here we go. So, yeah, I'll just start back here. This will be really quick. I won't be doing really small twister and twist or anything. I'm just gonna do some twisting here just to protect my hair. I do a twist off tutorial every time, so I really wasn't gonna bore you guys this time. So as you can see here, I'm just twisting them back so that I can have them properly secured up under my clip-ins. Yeah, I don't know how to do this, and I realized that once I tried to put the clip-ins in that there was a big lump in the back of my head. But yeah, trial and error. So now I will take my clip in. I unsnapped it already. They're all unsnapped. And I will place these in the back of my head. Yay, first clip in. And I like the length. Yes, baby, give me length. Y'all, I never realized how important it was to have a smooth base, you know, when putting down a sew-in or even some tracks. This is what they mean when they say make sure you have a smooth base or you will have gaps in between your bundles. But luckily, these are fuller tracks and they're curly, so you won't be able to tell how much of a gap I have in between there. And because I didn't have a smooth base, I struggled a little bit with trying to add in the clip-ins because it really didn't have anything to grip to. My biggest fear was that I would be like brushing my hair and a track would come out in public. So eventually I did get this clip-in and yeah, you can't even tell that I have that lump in the back of my head. And there's not much really more to explain on how to put these in. Just make sure that you unclip them, you have a flat base, and you fill them in as much as possible so that when you're playing in your hair or if the wind's blowing, they can't tell that you have a little bit amount of tracks in your hair. So I'll just continue this process throughout the rest of my head, and I put the 4 clips in the back, the 3 clips on the sides or towards the top of my head, and then the 1 clips were closer to my temples because I just wanted to make it fuller. And what I mean by 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 clips is that the track has clips on them. So the longer that they were the ones that I put in the back of my neck, and the shorter ones I put along the sides because it's easier if they're too long or I put it in incorrectly or it's too full on one side, I can adjust them. Yes, give me big hair vibes. Yes. Yes, I love it. So I did wash the hair, and sorry if I'm looking to the side, but my mirror is here. I washed the hair, I conditioned it, I let it air dry. Just hope that don't come out. It's in there, but the hair is like coming out, which is weird. Okay, whatever, I'll fix it. Okay, so I washed the hair and it made the ends a teensy bit bigger than I expected. So I am going to use my Maleeha hair mousse. And we're gonna add this to the hair. Hopefully it brings it down a teensy bit. I'm excited. Yes. Baby, when I take these twists down in the morning, I'm gonna be so late. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a bunch of pumps on my hand. All right, and not on my leg. And I'm just gonna add this to the hair. See how much of a difference it made to this part? Yeah, this is how I want it. Let's just hope it stays this way. Let's just hope it stays this way and not get big all over again. So I am preparing for bed. So I'm just going to add this mousse to my hair and 2-strand twist it all the way down to keep it secure throughout the night. And that's really it. I did that every night when trying to protect it and keep it from matting up at the bottoms, because it did really well when I washed it, but I just didn't know how it would react with me not taking care of it every day. So I made sure that I 2-strand twist them every night, add the mousse, and try to finger detangle it as much as I can. So yeah, I am going to put my bonnet on. I am not going to lay anything down. Gosh, I am not going to put anything on my hair yet until tomorrow. I look crazy, but we will see tomorrow how this looks. So I will see you guys in the morning. Yes. Let's get into these curls. Yes, love. Yes. Yes. Now we are back the next morning trying to put this entire look together. I did feel like I interrupted the curls a teensy bit on the hair, but at the same time it made it look more natural because my hair normally looks like this. So actually it wasn't a fail, but I thought I would get the same curls that I had from the beginning, but I technically needed it to be at this texture so that it could blend my hair really well, which it really did. When I was taking out my 2-strand twist and I realized how like my hair is completely different, it doesn't lay, it lays differently, it curls differently, I was kind of scared because I was like, oh man, it looks like a mushroom top, and I am wanting to talk about somebody else's hair. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I was scared that I was about to be talked about, it wasn't gonna lay right. So I was like, I don't know, but I was like, okay, I'm just gonna add a scarf to it and then we're gonna see how that looks. All right, y'all, so let's get into this look. Yes. I'm feeling myself because it blends so well. It blends. Whew. Baby, let me tell you. I was looking at my hair last night when after I put the hair in and I had my hair in the twist, I was like, this might not go well. But overall, it did come out perfect. I am still struggling with blending it, but it's not because of the hair. It's just my hair wants to be an individual for some reason, but I'll get it down pat. Yeah, I already put in some clips of me throughout the day, how my hair looked, being flawless per usual, but yeah, I love it. You let me know down in the comments what you think about this hairstyle. What should I try with this hairstyle? Again, it is clipping, so you know, we can always, you know, flip it and reverse it. Okay, for real. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.